Let's do something we've never done before. We're going to use a new makeup palette. So we're going to start off with concealer or primer on the eyelid. We're going to pat it down with the Beauty Blender, and then we're going to go in with the BH Cosmetics. I think it's called Summer in Saint Tropez or Shrimp. I don't know how to read that good. We're going to go in with the first color. That's an easy read. It's called Sand, and we're going to use that as a transitional color all over the lid. The next one is Cabana, and it's like a nice purple color, and we're going to put that on the upper part of our lid. After I did this, I realized, I use purple a lot. Let's use something different. So I went in with this pink color called Nightlife, and it is so pigmented and so beautiful that it was actually shocking for me. I had to like put some on the other eyelid and then come back. Then we're going to go back in with that purple color, and we're going to use that just to blend out some of this color, some of this pink, but not too much. We want to use a little bit with a light hand. Then we're going to go in with Marina, and this is a super pretty shimmer shade, like really stunning. I was very impressed with this palette. I'm not gonna lie to anybody, and I really packed that on. I'm gonna go back in with that purple, blend out again, and then after I'm done blending out with this, I'm gonna go back in with that first color in Sand, and I'm gonna use that just to buff out the edges because my edges were a little sloppy. Okay, so my eyes are complete with the BH Cosmetics Summer in Saint Tropez. Am I saying that right? Saint Tropez? Who cares? This is going to be in my Poshmark closet right now. It was only used today when I used it. Everything is always cleaned. I am a professional makeup artist, so I know how to sterilize and clean and disinfect. There is only one. And if you are new to Poshmark, you guys can use my coupon code. You'll get $10 off your first order, so you'll basically only be paying for shipping for this. So I love you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.